Welcome to Housekeeping Master. If you have been searching for a kitchen upgrade that balances modern aesthetics with health-conscious performance, you have likely come across the SENSARTE 14-piece ceramic cookware set. Today, we are diving deep into this specific collection to see if it truly belongs in your kitchen or if it is just another set of pretty pans. Let us start with the most critical aspect of modern cookware, which is safety. The SENSARTE set is marketed as completely free of PFOA, PTFE, PFAS, and other toxic substances. For those of you who are cautious about what leaches into your food, this ceramic non-stick surface is a major selling point. Unlike traditional Teflon coatings that can degrade over time, this ceramic finish is designed to be a cleaner, safer alternative. The 14-piece configuration is quite robust. You get 2 frying pans, a large 5-quart sauté pan, a 6.5-quart casserole pot, and a 2-quart saucepan, all with matching lids. SENSARTE also throws in some multi-purpose utensils and pot protectors, which is a thoughtful touch for keeping your pans scratch-free while they are stacked in your cabinet. Performance-wise, these pans feature a die-cast aluminum core with a 4.8 mm thick stainless steel bottom. This construction is a game-changer for heat distribution. In my testing, the pans heated up quickly and, more importantly, they maintained that heat evenly across the surface. This means fewer hot spots and more consistent cooking results. Because the base is stainless steel, these are fully induction compatible, which makes them incredibly versatile regardless of your stovetop setup. I really appreciate the design of the Stay Cool wood grain Bakelite handles. They provide a comfortable, ergonomic grip that stays cool even when the pan is searing hot, and they honestly look great on the stove. The explosion-proof glass lids allow you to monitor your food without lifting the cover and losing that precious steam and heat. Now, let us talk about the pros and cons. The biggest pro is the non-stick capability. You genuinely need less oil, making this a fantastic choice for those who are focused on a healthier, low-fat diet. Cleaning is also a breeze. Because of the slick surface, most messes wipe away with a simple paper towel or a quick rinse. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. While ceramic is durable, it is not indestructible. You should avoid metal utensils to ensure that the non-stick surface lasts for years. Also, while they are easy to clean, the manufacturer recommends hand washing. If you are someone who relies heavily on a dishwasher, this might be a slight inconvenience for you, although the surface is so easy to clean that a quick hand wash takes less than a minute. In conclusion, the SENSARTE 14-piece ceramic cookware set offers a brilliant combination of safety, performance, and style. It is an excellent investment for anyone looking to level up their culinary game without breaking the bank. If you prioritize healthy cooking and want a set that looks as good as it performs, this is a top-tier contender. Link in the description.